Alright, last Infernus Marine to do. I've actually had a little bit of a camera issue, so I've already kind of, I was recording, it crashed, and then basically ended up with things already cut out. So just to give you an idea, this is part number 15, which was there. This is part number 14, which was here. Yeah, it's unfortunate. I started recording and then my camera decided to freak out and it didn't save. So, lucky that happened early on, before I really got into building it, isn't it, really? Right, then we need 16, which is this back one here. Let's have a look. 17 and 18. Get 19 the backpack out. Now, what I have noticed here is that there seems to be a couple of little spares. So that's obviously if you want a different, I'm going to assume it's the Sergeant that those alternatives go on. That would be my obvious guess. Not really that worried right now, but there we go, yeah. But yeah, just be mindful, if you never collected these kits before, there are sometimes alternative builds for certain miniatures. They don't show you that, about how to do alternative pieces in these early editions. As you go through, they'll show you how to do certain ones differently. Basically, putting it simply. Right. Okay, this guy's actually holding it slung under rather than up. But that's how simple this last guy is to put together. Oh, wrong base. Got too many base types on my desk. I'm picking up the wrong one. Right, there we go. That's our... I don't like the way that one's gone in. That's definitely got a horrible gap. Can you see that? Don't like gaps. Let's see if I can close that up a bit. Don't like that. That's a bad gap on this push fit model there. Hopefully when it paints it'll cover that up. Anyway, so there we go. That's the last one done. The last Infernus Marine. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time.